Hello my friends, come on right here. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to my channel because we give daily videos like this. Go into the first link in the description and make sure you get yourself some of the freshest merch in town, because today we're looking at some of the richest dogs on this universe who are like, they are spoiled, they have homes to live. Look at this dog, he's using MacBook while some human beings are living across the street. Where is this earth going to? Like, let's see those dogs who live such a wealthy life. The dog pride, guys. The dog is showing its pride. Oh my god. Like, why on this earth? What's this earth going to? And a puppy has its own MacBook and I even don't. Oh my god. Guys, so there we go with number 20. Don't worry, I'm gonna bring the other 20. That's why you need to subscribe and turn on notification. Go into the first link in the description. Get yourself the freshest merch in town to enter a new Samsung giveaway. Yeah, I'll be showing you guys the picture very soon. It's the new Samsung. I bought about 5 pieces of that. And the man friends family, I know we are not that plenty, but we are gonna be growing. The family is gonna be growing, so you better grab your iPhone at this moment. Just go into the first link in the description and click that red subscribe button, and you will enter into the giveaway. Make sure to tell me if you do so in the comment section below. So I'm gonna see you next time. Cause we the man friends.